Welcome back to my channel. So today, we will talk about the 2026 new model Antonov An-225 Mriya. I personally find this technology very interesting. I have driven this car myself, so without wasting any time, before starting the video, I would like to make a request that those who are new to my channel at ZAINI.981 should like, subscribe, share and click the bell icon button. The sky has seen many engineering marvels, but none as iconic or colossal as the Antonov An-225 Mriya. Originally designed in the 1980s, the Mriya held the record for the heaviest aircraft ever built and was unmatched in cargo capacity. In 2026, this legend returns, not just rebuilt, but re-engineered from the ground up to lead the future of super heavy air transport. The 2026 Antonov An-225 is not a replica. It's a next-generation evolution of the original beast. At first glance, the familiar silhouette remains massive fuselage, twin tail, and 6 powerful engines, but closer inspection reveals years of technological innovation and collaborative engineering effort. The most significant transformation lies in the aircraft's propulsion system. The 6 Ivchenko Progress D180 engines of the past have been replaced with new generation ultra-high bypass turbofans. These engines deliver greater thrust with less fuel consumption, dramatically improving range and efficiency. A hybrid electric assist system has also been added, contributing to takeoff power and reducing emissions, making this An-225 one of the most eco-conscious large aircraft ever built. Its wingspan remains staggering at over 88 meters, but the wings themselves are now composed of advanced carbon fiber reinforced polymer composites. This drastically reduces weight while improving strength and resilience. The addition of redesigned wingtips further enhances aerodynamics, contributing to smoother airflow and improved fuel economy. Stepping into the cockpit is like entering the flight deck of a spacecraft. Outdated analog systems are gone, replaced by a fully integrated digital avionics suite. Pilots now control the aircraft through large-format touchscreen displays, intuitive interface systems, and AI-powered decision support tools. Real-time satellite connectivity ensures continuous monitoring of weather, air traffic, and system health, even over the remotest regions. One of the Mriya's legendary features was its cargo capacity. That legacy continues with enhancements. The 2026 model increases payload capability to over 300 tons, thanks to a reinforced airframe and floor structure. It can carry everything from armored vehicles to space launch modules and humanitarian relief cargo in a single flight. Its nose loading feature remains, but it's now automated. Advanced hydraulic lifts and smart cargo locks ensure faster, safer, and more efficient loading and unloading. Internally, the cargo bay is lined with intelligent sensors. These monitor weight distribution, temperature, pressure, and vibration in real time. This level of monitoring is crucial when carrying sensitive equipment or modular structures destined for orbital assembly or disaster zones. Beyond cargo, this new model is designed with multi-role capability in mind. It can operate as an aerial platform for space launch support, a mobile airborne hospital, or even a flying energy transport hub. Its floor system has modular compatibility, allowing rapid reconfiguration depending on the mission profile. The An-225's environmental footprint has been a major focus. New acoustic dampening technology and engine nacelle redesigns have significantly reduced external noise levels. The aircraft now complies with the strictest global noise and emission regulations, including ICAO's Stage 5 standards. Externally, changes are subtle but functional. LED-based external lighting improves visibility and power efficiency. Radar-absorbing material coatings reduce its radar cross-section, enhancing security for sensitive operations. Solar panels have been embedded in upper fuselage segments to power auxiliary systems when the aircraft is grounded, reducing ground support energy requirements. Another impressive innovation is the aircraft's integration into global digital airspace management. It features enhanced ADS-B tracking, collision avoidance AI, and predictive rerouting software. Combined with new weather modeling systems, the Mriya can optimize long-haul routes in real time to save fuel and avoid turbulence. The development of this aircraft has been a global effort. Engineers and aerospace experts from Ukraine, Europe, and North America work together to rebuild not only a symbol of aviation history, but a new benchmark for strategic airlift. Its construction is a story of international unity and engineering resilience, especially following the tragic destruction of the original Ant-125 during conflict in 2022. Asterisk flight tests for the new Mriya began earlier this year. Reports show exceptional handling characteristics for an aircraft of this size. Climb rates, roll responsiveness, and cross-wind landings have all exceeded performance benchmarks. Pilots have praised its flight control software, saying it feels significantly more stable and responsive than any previous heavy-lift aircraft. Asterisk in terms of operation. The aircraft is expected to be produced in extremely limited numbers, perhaps only 2 or 3 units, over the next decade. Each one will be built to custom specifications depending on client needs. Several governments and private aerospace firms have already expressed interest, especially for roles in orbital logistics and transcontinental emergency transport. Asterisk despite its enormous cost estimated north of $600 million per unit, the 2026 Antonov An-225 Mriya is already proving that it fills a critical and unmatched role in global aviation. It's not just a plane, it's a flying infrastructure solution, capable of delivering mission-critical cargo to remote parts of the world, faster and more efficiently than anything else ever created. Asterisk, but perhaps more than anything, the return of the An-225 is symbolic. It represents a triumph over adversity, the revival of innovation, and the unrelenting human spirit to rebuild what was lost and to do it better. It is not just a resurrection, it is a reimagination. Asterisk, the world once mourned the loss of the Mriya. In 2026, the world once again looks up, watches it soar, and dares to dream bigger.
Please everyone subscribe my YouTube channel Zenny981 and thanks for watching.